In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw funds from your investment account and put it back in your social copier wallet and then into your wallet so that you can do with it what you wish as far as sending it to your crypto exchange or putting it in one of your live trading accounts. So as you can see here, we have an investment account. It's got $100 in it. Social copier wallet already has $100 in it. So first thing we're going to do is click on action and click subscriptions. And then we're going to unsubscribe. Click the unsubscribe button right here. And we're going to unsubscribe from the trade copier. Then the next thing we're going to do, we'll go back to dashboard. And now that we've unsubscribed from the trade copier, we will now click on action again and we'll click withdraw. And we want to withdraw all of our funds and put back in the social copier wallet. Although it says $100 here, which is exactly what we want to withdraw, we can't withdraw anything yet until we tell the system how much we want to withdraw. So we're going to withdraw $100, our entire account funds. Click the withdraw button, and then we'll click on dashboard again, and you'll see that we now have no funds left in our investment account, and we've added the $100 back to our social copier wallet. It's as simple as that. Now all you have to do is go to your back office and click on funds, and you can transfer funds to your regular wallet from your social copier wallet, or you can, and then from there you can transfer the funds to your trading account or to your crypto exchange. So if you have any questions about this, feel free to put in a help desk ticket if you need further information or further help.